What's going on, everyone? Mike with Digital Playbook here, and today we're going to be talking about the easiest way to make over $1,000 a day with AI and the new ChatGPT search feature. Now, what I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be walking you through a step-by-step process that I'm using in my own company to generate the news, schedule out all the videos, and do all this where I don't have to edit or create anything. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be giving you a full free checklist called the Digital Playbook that gives you a free course, 130 plus different AI tools. We got done for you emails, done for you IG Reels or short form content, list of influencers, and a bunch of really cool other free stuff. Now, if you want to get this, all you need to do is just go over to digitalplaybook.com, put in your information, and you will get sent an email with the Google Sheet. Now, let's hop back over to ChatGPT search. So how you get here is you just want to click right here, search the web, and now we are going to enter in a prompt. And basically how I start this prompt is instead of talking about AI, let's talk about the health industry. So what we're doing right now is just warming it up. Okay, so really you could write anything about this as far as you could take this blog post. So why we want news is we want things that are emerging and haven't been talked about yet so we can be ahead of the trend. So what I want to do next is AI tools for medical doctors, AirPods as hearing aids. Okay, that's kind of in the tech/health niche. So let's take that, copy that. And next, what you want to do is you want to just look up a free keyword tool to see if there's actually any information about this, which since this is new, there shouldn't be. And that's what we want to see is nothing being generated yet, which is meaning that these different search engines haven't found anything. So this one, so a woman's health startup called Day. Tampons. I don't know anything about this, but let's copy this. Diagnosticus tampons by Day. Okay, so this is a good example. There's really no data yet about these diagnostic tampons. So what that means is that as far as people creating content, there's really nothing on the search. There's nothing on the web about this yet. So if you were a woman or if you're in the health niche, this would be a good topic that you could start talking about. So maybe you don't want to do a long form. Let's go the route of creating a blog post. So boom. Okay, so what I did is so look, it's giving you a blog post. Awesome. But I did it in the search feature, so let's go ahead and redo this in just normal ChatGPT. So this can give you a blog post, and then what you can do is you can take this and then turn this into a script, record a video on it. The whole point is that you want to find new and emerging topics to talk about that you're able to get attention, get views, and then you're able to drive traffic by creating content to whichever tools, products, or anything that you're wanting to promote that's going to allow you to start making money. So boom, this is a good blog post. Post this on the website, and I guarantee you that you could be able to rank for that product within the next couple of days. But let's say you want to create a video about this. Women's health is evolving. Gone are the days of waiting rooms. Boom, look at this. Now let's take for an example, you don't want to get on camera or you don't want to do this. Well, we can go to a tool like 11 Labs, which is a text-to-speech, and you can put in the text and it can generate you speech.
Women's health is evolving. Gone are the days of waiting rooms and stressful visits just for routine testing. Today, there's a new solution on the horizon, brought to you by a forward-thinking startup, Day.
That's pretty cool. So once you have the text-to-speech, you can go to a tool like Replicate or Leonardo.ai, and you can generate AI images to where you could put these together and do something like face this YouTube channel or whatever. I'm just kind of throwing out ideas for you. Look, for an example, this is an image that I created around like AI tools and robots. But if we check this tool out, it's free. You get 150 credits to use every day. I have the paid version, so I have a lot more, but just by using a little script right here, it costs 11 credits to generate. So just to wrap up real quick, just want to go to this whiteboard again. So we got the Google Sheet. You selected the tool, generate content by using ChatGPT. Once you're able to do that, you want to send traffic to your link. So by sending traffic to your link, you are going to be creating short form content, creating blogs, just creating stuff instead of consuming stuff. And then the last one is automate and repeat. How I'm able to put out a bunch of different content is I use a tool called Go High Level, and this is what's called the social planner. And it's basically a calendar where my team was able to put in content for the next couple weeks to where all I have to do is just go in, edit it, make sure it looks cool, and then I'm able to just publish it or schedule it out whenever I want to. Like right now, this would be scheduled to post. It said it down there. I think it was November 11th. But this just helps with time and being able to create as much content as possible. So if you thought this was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.